All right, I just bought this. It's called a Fiskars pole saw, and we're just going to get it out of the box and see what we think, if we like it or not. Anyway, this is a 4.9 meter or 16-foot one. It extends up pretty high. So all mine are really old and rusty. I just decided to go ahead and get one. So we're going to check it out and see what we think. All right, so anyway, we got our blade, and it has, check this out. If you look on this end here, pull this off, it's sharp as a razor, super sharp. This side you got to pull off because we got to stick it on the thingamabob there. So this is going to come off. I got to hold it on the bottom because it's got a little like square thing there. You see that? And then I got to pull this off. I don't think I even need those tools, as a matter of fact. No, I don't. So there's a little thing here that this goes into. So when you slide this through, it finds that little spot there, and then you're going to tighten this down on it, just like that. I'll hold it. Whoops. I've got to keep my finger under the bottom of it. We just kind of tighten it down. And that should keep it from slipping out. Now you're probably going to need a wrench to get it, you know, to lock it out good. One of these channel locks, which I'm going to turn it with, just to get it on there. There we go. Now that should hold it. So you got this like right here, and I'll show it to you. Ooh. So right here is this little lump thing here. So you can change it. You can put it here or here, but that one locks it down, and then you've got a little angle on it so you can cut. And yeah, let's go cut something. Okay, so anyway, this has a pulley system on it. So when I pull on this, you can see what it does is it brings this up and it cuts right there. You see that? If you stuck your finger in there and I pulled on it, chop your finger off. So that's how that works. Then to extend it, you've got to push this down right here. You push this down and you got to pop this off, and then this slides up just like that. When you get to the length that you want it at, then you just close this over and that locks it out. So it's got one, it's got two of these, okay? So that's the top one. Here's the bottom one. Press that and it comes up, and you're at the spot that you want it to be at. You lock it out with this. Now it's ready to go. Now you've extended your pole, as you can see. That's how that works. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off a branch. Let's see how it works on that. Which I think is easier. This thing works really good. Okay, so when you're ready to bring it down, you pull this, you pop it like that, pops out, just like that, and you just pull it in. But you'll notice it won't go, so you gotta press this little button and then pull it down, just like that. Once you get there, put your safety back on, tighten her down. And then this one, same thing, pop it, press this button, pulls down. If you want to pull it out, it won't pull out. You got to press the button, pulls out, right? Lock it, it's in, pop it out, pull it down, bam. Press. When you get all the way out, it locks. If you're halfway, it doesn't lock. All the way out, locks. Press this, just lock it in. Take it out, won't move, gotta press the button. Comes down, bam, done. That's it, that's pretty much it. That's the Fiskars tree pole saw. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.